organic cotton, does that not still use enormous amounts of water?
Courtney?
Yeah.
Did you hear that? Yeah.
Yeah. Organic cotton, it honestly depends where it comes from. Actually, most of the world's organic cotton is grown on rainwater. So yeah, it requires water to grow, but if you compare it to other crops, it's very similar. So I think the water conversation comes in the processing and with the dyeing, and that's when we need to, I guess, look at the water. But that's happening with many fibers, not just cotton. So yeah, I would say that the water conversation is a bigger conversation.